Every financial center can offer the trading of securities or gold. But the trading of Chinese cultural assets is unique to Hong Kong, Wan said. Oriental culture currently operates more like an e-commerce platform, despite calling itself a digital asset exchange or artworks exchange. It is currently not covered by Hong Kong's securities laws, and Wan said he hoped that the city's regulators will put in place a licensing framework for art and collectibles marketplaces. The company, which has a warehouse in Nanjing, takes in collectibles from customers and performs appraisals to determine their authenticity. But the coronavirus pandemic, which affected mainland China during the first quarter of this year, ground its business to a halt. Its revenue is mainly driven by listing fees, followed by transaction fees and marketing fees. For the 6 months ended June 30, Oriental Culture's net income totaled $373,000. A drop of 94% from the $6.3 million it earned during the same period a year earlier.